Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm going to take you through a virtual open house of 16003 Molokai Drive in TegCaySC, South Carolina. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it sits on top of a hill. It does have a wood-burning fireplace, which is kind of unique for this day and age since we are so used to gas logs. So you actually could use a wood-burning fireplace. So that's kind of neat. So all the bedrooms are going to be upstairs. And my name is Lynn Glasgow, and I am with the Miller Realty Group. My number is 803-984-7333. So if you have any questions during this virtual open house, feel free to text me at that number, or you can email me at lynn@carmensmiller.com.